The Yofidra 650N.m Brushless Electric Drill is designed for those who demand power and precision in their DIY projects. Built with a robust brushless motor, this tool offers 650N.m of maximum torque, providing strong and stable performance that's ideal for tackling a range of tasks, from icebreaking to drilling into steel, wood, and concrete. Equipped with a 13mm chuck, this drill is versatile and adaptable, easily handling both heavy-duty tasks and more intricate work. With 25+3 torque settings and a dual-speed function, 600 RPM for low speed and 2150 RPM for high, users have full control to fine-tune power output, whether they're working on delicate screws or breaking through tougher materials. The drill runs on a powerful 388VF lithium battery with a 15,000 mAh capacity, composed of 10 cells for extended battery life, offering up to 100% more runtime. This means more working time and less downtime, ensuring productivity on long projects. Its 3-in-1 function allows it to work as a hammer drill, screwdriver, or flat drill, adding to its versatility. Designed with convenience and user comfort in mind, the Yofidra drill features an ergonomic handle for easy control and balance, plus an LED light for visibility in dark or confined spaces. The forward/reverse/lock switch enhances safety and functionality, giving users precise control with every use. For DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike, the Yofidra Brushless Electric Drill is a reliable, durable tool that combines power with thoughtful design to meet the needs of diverse projects.